access the files you've attached to the program, you will first need to select the desired client on the client screen. Once the correct client is selected, click on Images or the camera icon if set to the modern style. The Images screen is divided into two vertical panes. The left is the list of attached images and the right is the image preview. The size of these panes can be adjusted by dragging the line between them to the right or left. The right pane, the image preview, allows you to get a quick view of any attached PDF or JPEG file. Keep in mind that other file types will not show a preview in this pane. Use the magnifying glass icons to zoom in or out and the arrow to preview another page. To open the file, click the Open with External Application icon, and the native application for that file type will open the file in an external window. On the left pane, you can see more about the files attached to this client, such as the date it was added, the title, the physical file name and location, and the policy the file is attached to. Much of this information is committed as you attach the file. However, you can come back to this pane to modify the title and policy number of the image. Attaching the images to the policy gives you the advantage of viewing the images by policy. When a policy has an image attached, the Attached Documents icon will appear when you have that policy selected on the Policies tab. Click this icon to see and open the images attached to that policy entry. If you utilize the outgoing email functionality, you can email attached images directly from Images by selecting the desired image record or records. Then click the Email Customer icon. This will open an email with the selected images attached. The image deletion function is only available to users with supervisory access. Deleting the image will remove both the file from the Pics folder and the record in Images. Now that you know the basics of accessing images, continue on to find out ways in which you can attach images to the program.